This is a summary of the essential content from the food studies topic, micronutrients, vitamins. This is from ORCA Education's e-learning library. The short video will summarize key facts or key concepts from this course topic. Micronutrients are essential nutrients needed in small amounts for a balanced diet. They include minerals and vitamins that support various bodily functions. Vitamins are necessary for good health and growth. They can be water-soluble or fat-soluble, and most can be obtained through a varied diet. Vitamins are vital for bodily functions such as energy release, growth, and protection against diseases. Lack of vitamins can lead to deficiency diseases. The body needs vitamins for functions like vitality, healing wounds, and maintaining a healthy nervous system. Antioxidant vitamins, found in fruits and vegetables, can reduce the risk of cancer and heart disease. A well-balanced diet provides all the necessary vitamins through foods like meat, dairy, vegetables, fruits, and whole-grain cereals. Vitamin D can also be produced in the body through sunlight exposure. Excess intake of fat-soluble vitamins can be toxic, while plant-based sources of vitamin A pose no harm. Vitamin D overdose can lead to calcium buildup, causing potential harm to the lungs. Vitamins are crucial for supporting body processes and maintaining healthy skin, bones, and teeth. Deficiencies in vitamins can lead to diseases like scurvy and rickets. Water-soluble vitamins, like the B group, are found in various foods such as yeast, whole-grain cereals, nuts, and meat. Vitamin C, an essential water-soluble vitamin, is abundant in fruits and vegetables. Fat-soluble vitamins, including vitamin A, D, E, and K, are not lost in cooking and can be stored in the body. They are found in animal foods, dairy products, vegetables, oils, and leafy greens.